Hi friends and welcome to Miss Disney Reviews. Here I have the Burger Deli Playset. Today we're gonna make a lot of tasty burgers with lots of toppings and we're gonna serve them while they're hot. And here is our chef Cookie Monster. I'm also gonna use some Play-doh cans for some extra fun. Some of the stuff you can create with this playset are these hot dog and fries, yummy sandwich, and yummy hamburgers. Let's see what we've got inside this box. So here are some dough cans. Here are some molds. Here are 5 cans of dough. Here's green, brown, white, red, and yellow. There's everything else that's included in this playset. So we have a mold for hot dog, hamburger, bread, and other stuff. What would you like to order today? I would like a hamburger and I would like a hot dog lunch. Have a seat. So here's a beige color Play-doh and a mold for the burger. Just press it, and here we have a bun. So this is one whole bun. We just need to cut it into half to create 2 buns. Press it out with this presser. Some yellow Play-doh for fries. Roll out the yellow Play-doh and just use one of the knives. How about some white cheese? Now for red tomato using this mold. Here are the 2 slices. So for ketchup, just roll out some Play-doh. So for the hot dog, here's the mold, and you can either mix this dark brown and white color of doughs or simply use this beige color of Play-doh. Just remember that Play-doh does have a lot of variety of colors. So place the Play-doh in the mold and just press. For the lettuce, just roll out some green Play-doh. Next, I'm going to use this roller to have really nice edge for the lettuce. And now it's time to set up the plate. So here are the fries, the lettuce, two red tomatoes, the white cheese, the yellow cheese, the meat patty, and finally for the top bun. So here is some ketchup, and you can just pretend that you're squirting some ketchup in there. And here is our hamburger plate. I love this sandwich, it looks very yummy. So here's the bun for the sausage. You need to cut it in half. So here is a hot dog that I created using red, brown and white dough. So what you're gonna do is just arrange the bun first. Here's the lettuce piece that I created. So first you can place that. Put the hot dog in the middle. You can also add some tomatoes inside. Here's our pretend ketchup. And here's the mustard. I'm just gonna place it over the ketchup. And now for some yummy fries. So our Cookie Monster is ready with both the meals, and now it's time to serve. Hey, I'm starving. I don't know when they're gonna serve. Something smells really good. Something smells really good, and it's coming this way. Ooh, this looks delicious. Oh, I can't wait to eat. Would you like some more ketchup? Yes, please. Thank you. This is so yummy. This hot dog is amazing. Num 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 num. And now for some fries. Num 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 num. Our Cookie Monster also seems a bit hungry. Here are some tomato slices. How about some fries? Oh no, he's hungry again. Nom, 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 nom. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe right here to Miss Disney Reviews. Thank you.